Four crucial tips you have to keep in your mind while working on Redbubble. The first one is the quantity. For sure, you have to upload a huge amount of designs about your niche and your topics. In other words, you have to make a topical domination or a full coverage of your niche. Therefore, you would increase the opportunities to get more sales. And to be more clear in that, let me show you something on Redbubble. Here on the homepage of Redbubble, you will find this trend, cute Bernese Mountain Dog, and kindly feast your eyes to an amazing artist here on Redbubble. This one, Lilo Paul. This amazing artist made a lot of designs about the same trend or the same topic. Like this one, a Bernese Mountain Dog with a Christmas tree, and this design as well, and this one, and this one, and much more. All of these beautiful designs regarding the same topic or the same trend. Thus, he increased his chances to get more sales regarding the same trend or the same topic. And to create huge amount of your designs, there are four methods. The first one, you can look for a lot of quotes or sayings regarding the same topic. For example, if you are working in swimming niche, so you can go to google.com and type here swimming quotes, swimmer funny quotes, swimming sayings, and so on and so forth. Therefore, you would find hundreds or thousands of quotes that you can use to create your designs about swimming niche. The second method, you have to create different styles of the same design. As you know, there are some common quotes out there like eat, sleep, swim, repeat. So you can create different styles of the same design to increase your opportunities to get more sales. The third method is you can create sub niches. You have to break down the huge competitive niche to make many sub niches or micro niches. For example, if you are working in a dog niche, so you can create many sub niches or different dog types: Bernese Mountain Dog, Husky, Bulldog, and so on. The fourth method to create huge amount of designs is what's so-called cross niche designs. So what does it mean by cross niche designs? Design that contains more than one niche in one design. So you can combine like Bernese Mountain Dog with another activity or another sport or another niche, another job, another drinking, and so on and so forth. And to upload your designs faster on Redbubble, there are two ways. The first one, just you can use the copy settings feature on Redbubble, or you can get help from automation tools like Merch Titans Automation. As you see, Merch Titans Automation, just you can sign up to the single platform. As you see, single platform access to publish your designs automatically to Redbubble with one click. All you have to do is just fill the CSV file with all details of your designs that you want to publish to your Redbubble account, like title, tags, and description, and just boom, publish all these designs automatically to Redbubble. And as you know, just you can upload on Redbubble up to 6 designs per day. So the first step is the quantity. You have to upload a huge amount of your designs about the same topic or the same niche. And the second step is the adjustment or activation of all products on Redbubble. You have to activate all products on Redbubble as much as possible, because you don't know what product your customer wants your design on. Is it sticker, shower curtain, duffel bag, and anything else? So you have to activate all items as much as possible. And regarding adjustment your design, the most neglected items are stickers and mugs. And for the stickers, you have to make your designs with bold fonts or some darker fonts in order not to make your stickers blurred ones. And for mugs, don't make your designs like this one. So if anyone searches something mug that contains a motivational quote, for example, you will find a lot of mugs that shows its design, like this one, like this one, this one, this one, and so on and so forth. However, if your mug shows your design like this one, no. Therefore, you lose this sale. And to make your mug that contains two designs, even there are different designs on both sides on your mug, I have discussed them before. You'll find these videos below in the description box. So second tip, you have to adjust and activate all items on Redbubble. The third tip is the search engine optimization, the SEO. You have to optimize your designs to Redbubble search engines. So you have to optimize your title, the main keyword of your design, and your tags. You have to use relevant and related tags that contain different types of tags: long tail keywords, short tail keywords, descriptional tags, and so on. And of course, I have talked about that amazing topic. You'll find this video below in the description box as well. And finally, the description of your design that contains some sentences to describe your design with a powerful call to action that motivates your customer to purchase your product. And of course, I have talked about how to make a beautiful and attractive description of your design. You'll find this video in the description box as well. So the third tip is you have to optimize your design to SEO, or the search engine optimization of Redbubble. And the fourth tip for today, that is the pricing of your item. For sure, the price of your item plays a big role on the customer purchase process. So if someone likes your design on your item and he found your price is not affordable or somehow high, so here you lose a sale. And so I prefer to keep the default price of your products and keep your earnings as they are, especially if you're a beginner or a newbie on the platform. And now you have known 4 amazing tips and crucial tips you have to know and to keep in mind while working on Redbubble. The first one is the quantity. Second one is the adjustment and activation all items on Redbubble. The third one, SEO, or the search engine optimization. And the fourth way is the pricing of your product. And to this end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.